So you're watching this video because you want to know what is a directory and what does it mean for you. So the directory is an online directory, just as it's called, that allows homeowners like you watching this video to connect with contractors like me, Texas Family Roofing. We want to make sure that you know exactly who you're hiring. And so this is a great place for you to turn as a homeowner to hire a trusted, trustworthy contractor. We're actually good friends with the owner of Directory, where we're going to interview now and show you and have him tell you exactly what it is. So we're actually here right now with the owner of the Directory, Dmitry.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for your time today. So, to our customers, will you tell them what the consumer actually gets when they go through the directory, what they're getting and what the value is and all the good stuff about it?
Absolutely. There's a lot of platforms. People offer contractors saying our list is the best, but there's a lot of fine print. You find a contractor there, and if that contractor takes your money, runs away, you have nothing. You have fine print that does not protect you or the contractor. I want my directory, my word to mean something. So if I recommend a contractor and he screws up, I want that liability. You come back to me and say, Dmitry, you gave me a better recommendation, and I'll guarantee you with my own money $20,000 for people who run away with money and don't do the work, or start the work and don't finish it. Happens all the time in construction industry, so you have to be a little bit more careful, do more research in the beginning to screen those contractors. But once you recommend them, make sure you back them up with money, because homeowners deserve good jobs. And for me, if I don't give bad recommendation, if I recommend a contractor who messed up, I want to be liable for that.
There you have it, folks. We just finished up with a great training by this man. We're out to go better serve you back at home, so we'll talk to you and help you out soon.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you. All right, guys, there you have it from the man himself, Dmitry. Exactly what the directory is. Let's just recap it. It's a way for you to connect with a valid contractor, and also you're going to get a $20,000 guarantee that the job is being done right, the right way. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Click the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.